and single receiver on the near side. Quarterback takes the snap, looks left, looks right, scans, throws to the middle field. It's caught by number 11. He's going to get all the way down to the end zone. Touchdown, McKinney North. Number 11, receiver to a sniffer set. He takes a snap. He's going to keep this ball right up the left hash. Tackled, but gets into the end zone. Touchdown, Frisco High, and they retake the lead. Two receivers, the near side, one on the far side. Schuler takes the snap. Play action pass, drops back, throws a great ball, and that's caught. Zaylon Carter again. Touchdown, McKinney North. Or life to McKinney North, and then they immediately struck for a touchdown. Pooch kick over there to the far side, and that's going to be caught. It's going to be dropped. The ball is on the ground. The Bulldogs are pointing. They're at the bottom of the pile trying to figure out who has the ball. Stack the receivers to the far side. Nelson takes a snap, hands the ball off to Forrester. He's going to move up the left hash, and if he can keep his balance, he's going to be tackled right there at the 7-yard line. Nelson's still on the sidelines, so they're going to live in that wildcat formation. Snap it to him. He's going to work up the left side behind a lot of beef. Powers their way in. Moves his running back to the other side of him. Takes a snap, drops back, looks left, scans right. Looks back to his left. Throws the deep ball. That's going to be caught by number 6, Sawyer Borgarello, and he's going to walk into the end zone. Big touchdown for the Raccoons. No flags on the play somewhere. No offers yet. Some trickeration here from Frisco, and they've got guys out in front. He's up the left sideline to the 40, to the 50, and brought out of bounds right across midfield at the 49-yard line. Far side. Harbert takes the snap, hands the ball off. Number 1, Brennan Lacey around the left side. He's got a little bit of running room all the way up the left numbers to the sideline, to the end zone. Touchdown, number 1, Brennan Lacey. Snap is back, hold is down, kick is on its way. And it is good. 37-yard kick by the senior, Sebastian Infante, as time expires. And that ties your game up. So at halftime, ball off. And here it is. Pooch kick over here. Number 17, that ball is fumbled. Not caught, and McKinney North is going to pick this ball up. That is number 10. On the far side, Forrester to the right of Nelson. Nelson takes a snap, hands the ball to Forrester. He's up the left side toward the sideline, has a blocker in front, utilizes that block, scampers all the way down, tackled at the 6-yard line. Big time run by number 4, Danny Ford. Again for McKinney North. Wildcat package they showed earlier. Forrester direct snap, works to his left, all the way into the end zone. Touchdown, McKinney North. Motion again, this time faked. Harbert's going to keep this one and work up the right side. He's got room. He's up the right sideline. He's at the 40. It's a foot race at the 30. And he's going to break the tackle and get all the way to the end zone. Big time touchdown. Number 5, Coben Harbert, the senior quarter. Well over 100 yards rushing for the night. This is going to be him again around the left side. He's got plenty of room to work. Great job blocking up the field also. Big time first down by Forrester. That was number 2, J-Ron Brown, blocking up the field with Mr. Nelson. Nelson takes a snap, hands the ball off to Forrester. Up the right side, finds a crease. Great blocking in front, powers his way into the end zone. Touchdown, McKinney North. To Harbert. Harbert takes a snap, hands the ball off the middle of the field. He's got run room. He's going to get all the way in the end zone. Touchdown, Frisco High, number 1, Brennan Lacey with the 28-yard scam with a play action tag to it. 2 receivers stacked down here again. That ball handed off to Forrester, and he's going to make that man miss, and he's got room to run again. Great gain for Forrester. Gets all the way down to the plus 34-yard line. Every play right here is big. McKinney North. Nelson throws this ball. He's got number 2, and that's caught. Touchdown! Number 2, J-Ron Brown. Takes a snap, drops back, looks left, throws it left, down the sideline. That's caught! That's going to be caught right around the 8-yard line. That is number 11, Lowry Azel on the... Harbert takes a snap, Rolls to his right, looks to his right, throws it to Lacey. Lacey catches the ball, gets right inside the pile on the right side. Touchdown, Frisco. There's going to be a flag. He spiked that ball. Everybody takes the snap, hands the ball off to Forster on the right side. He's got a hole. He's going to make one miss and gets tackled right around the 12-yard line for the go-ahead field goal. Snap back, hold down, kick is on its way. It's deflected and blocked by Frisco. What a big-time block, and that looked like that was number 20. Out there trying to make his move now. Rolls out to the right, throws the pass out here. That's caught, run up the sideline. He's gonna stay in bounds, and he's still going down the field. Finally tackled around the 32-yard line. I thought he stepped out of bounds right down here around the 35. Snap is back, hold is down, kick on its way. And that kick is good. With the winning field goal, Frisco High marches its way.